Hello dear student. Today we will discuss about the reverse phase sequence fault in three-phase induction motor. What is a reverse sequence phase? That is the phase difference in a RYB. The direction of induction motor depends on the phase sequence, that is the R line, Y line and B line. If due to any reason phase sequence is changed, generally the phase sequence is changed in a maintenance work. The direction of rotation is changed. If the direction of rotation is reversed, it may be causes the serious damage occur. Due to avoid these protections, we require the induction type relay. Just look at this reverse phasing sequence diagram. These are the three phase supply RYB which is connected to the circuit breaker, and this circuit breaker which is connected to the trip circuit. These three phases the connected with the induction motor and the induction type relay used in this reverse sequence protection. If the induction if the induction motor is taken from the maintenance work, after maintenance work is done, it is necessary to check the phase sequence, that is this. The phase sequence relay are used, that is in a induction disc type relay. The working in a short, if the disc is rotated in a correct direction, that means the phase sequence it is in a proper direction. The disc rotated in opposite direction, that is the phase sequence is not in a proper direction, and give the signal to the circuit breaker by using the relay, and circuit will be tripped. This is the phase sequence of reverse phase sequence fault in induction motor. Now we will discuss about the single phasing. The single phasing means one of the phase in a three phase is disconnected from the three phase supply, so the motor's two phases only remains the electrical connected. It happen the burning out the one fuse out in a three phase fuses. Generally it happen in the direction of star delta starter or a auto transformer starter. The auto transformer starter is used to start the motor due to the defective run. Due to avoid this serious damage, the protection is used in a single phasing fault. It is a thermal overload relay, and second is a single phase preventer. The thermal overload relay is operated due to the increase the current of two phases. Due to the single phasing, this relay will be operate and trip the circuit and disconnected the motor from supply. Now we will discuss the single phasing preventer. What is a single phase preventer? Single phase preventer is used to protect the induction motor from the single phase fault. Now this is the diagram of single phasing sequence. It is a main part of your preventer. First is your control coil, second a negative sequence filter, third is a contactor, fourth is your normal contact, that is the NC, fifth is a normally open, that is the NO, and six is your CTs, and seven is your thermal overload relay. Now the working, all the part is connected in a protective circuit of and motor. The preventer of a circuit is connected to the secondary of CT, and the RYB line which is connected as the primary of CT. The negative sequence filter is connected to the output filter of is fed in a level detector. This is send the tripping coil in a starter, and NC contact will be open. At this time the contactor also will be open. The motor start. If any fault occur in one phase, the motor is start and it is disconnected from the RYB line. This type of preventer it is used in a small and medium capacity of motor, that is a electrical panel and other electrical motor. Thank you.